our channel. In this video we are going to see that how to write in stylish way. So it's very simple, and firstly we are going to start with four first simple stylish text. For that four stylish text we do not need any of the app. So firstly I'm going to open a WhatsApp app. So as you can see, I have opened the WhatsApp also. And now what we have to do is we have to go on this option, and then we have to click on this option, and we have to type anything that we want. And now what we have to do is we have to do not give the space bar key. We have to click on this, and again we have to click on this. Or a simple way is also there. If you do not have this option, then what we have to do is I will erase it. We have to select it, and we have to click on this three dots, and over there we have to click on this bold option, and the text will be bold. Now next one is italic text. Now what we have to do is we can also select it, and we have to click on italic, and it will be italic. And if you do not have this options bold and italic, so follow this. So what we have to do is we have to do not give any space. So now we have to select this option, and over there we have to type there. As you can see, it has been italic only. Now different one. As you can see, the word that we have taken is that has been dashed, like we are, if anything has been wrong, so we are doing like this. So if you do not have this three dots option, so simply go on this and then click on this and select this. Done. And then the last one. So if you do not have this option also, three dots, so write what you have to write is as you can see, it has been done. We have to not select this comma one, that is over here upper side. We have to select this one that has been some of the italic comma. Done. Now guys, this we have done. So now this much only you can do in without using an app. So now I am going to show you that some using an app. They are very nice fonts, so I will show you how to download that. So first we have to open our Play Store app, and now we have to type over here stylish text, And then over here you will find the first only stylistic fonts, keyboard, stylish keyboard symbols and images. So now I have already installed it. You have to install the app and then we have to open it. Now I have opened it. Now there are many fonts as you can see over here. So if you want to type something, like I will type here subscribe. As you can see, many are there, and if you want to copy it, you can copy it also. Click on this copy option, or you can send it to WhatsApp also. As you can see, and over here there are many options also, like how this has been done. So now you can type in number also. As you can see, many type stylish numbers are there. Then when we go on arts, so they are coming like this. So now as I will type over here something. So as you can see, many arts has been come. So if I have to send it, so you can go on WhatsApp also or directly copy it. So now I'm going to tell you a simple way. Now it is a very boring way, like we have to open the app and then type and then do something. So it's not it's boring. So now the simple way is that we have to open the WhatsApp. So now open that to whom you want to. So we have to type here something. Then we have to select it and click on three dots. As you can see over here, one option is coming stylish text. If you will not download this app, the option will be not coming the stylish text. So over here we can select any of the style. And we can select arts also. Like this. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and please like, share and subscribe the video. Bye bye, take care.